everyone. Okay, so we're going to practice our sound blending again today. So let's review our letter sounds. First, we have this igloo that starts with that I sound, that short I sound. So remember, if a vowel is followed by a consonant and it's the only vowel in the word, it will make that short sound. So we have an igloo. Igloo, I. Good job. And we have a fish that starts with that F sound. So, fish, F. Good job. Now we have this raccoon that starts with that R sound. Raccoon, R. Last one. We have a zebra that starts with that Z sound. But remember, an S, if it's at the end of a word, can also make that Z sound. Okay? So, Z can be a Z, or it can be an S if it's at the end of a word. All right, let's blend some words together. Okay. So we have the R makes the sound. The I, since it's followed by a consonant and it's the only vowel in the word, makes the short I sound. And the D makes the D sound. So we have I, D. I, rid. 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 Good job, guys. Let's do another. All right, remember this is our kind of tricky one. So, our I, since it's followed by a consonant and it's the only vowel in the word, makes the short I sound. This S is at the end of our word, so it makes the Z sound. So we have I, Z. Blend them together. I, Z. Is. Good job. Let's do one more. Okay. So this F makes the F sound. This I, since it's the only vowel and it's followed by a consonant, makes the short I sound. And the T makes the T sound. So we have F, I, T. Let's blend these together. F, I, fit. Good. Fit. 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 Good job, guys. Now I want you to go on Schoology, find this Blend and Read page, and I want you to record yourself sounding out these words and reading them to me. I know y'all can do it. We've been practicing so much. So feel free to watch this video a couple times if you feel like you need some more practice. But I know you're going to do great. Thank you.